Now I want all of you to speak for me so that I understand what is the challenges that you are facing right now. Topic of website building today. So we can create web pages just like this. If you are able to see this particular web page, it's in the Adobe. It's created in the Adobe Express. Okay. So you are able to see a landing page as well as the follow-up
So please
pages.
share your computer.
So what is this web page? How did I create it? This particular one is a web page which is created inside Adobe Express. So Adobe Express actually offers you a limited tools for web page building where you can create and showcase your portfolio and for portfolio of the students as well as you can create multiple aspects of a web page. All these tools and softwares are given right here in the web page so that you can build it flawlessly. So how do we build the web page? For that, we have to go to the same old link, which is new.express.adobe.com. As you can see, this link is right here in my browser. I'm searching for new.express.adobe.com. If you are not familiar with this, please take a note of this. I'll repeat once again. I'm going to the new.express.adobe.com website and quickly let me know if my voice is audible and it's too high or too low. Just let me know. Okay. Now, what you can see inside Adobe Express, we have all these features, right? That we explored previously in these 2 days, last 2 days. Previously, we worked on Previously, we worked on these characters as well as the posters and videos, and we created this poster for our event workshop. As you can see, printing workshop is written right here. The video is right here. The characters are right here. We have worked on them. Okay. Now comes about the web page. How the web page is going to get built? So what you need to do inside your Adobe Express, you have this search bar. Okay, click on the search bar, search for web page. Just follow up with what I'm doing. This is how you can open the web page. Okay, click on here, click on the web page. It will ask you that get started with a web page template. Okay, now it's showing different type of variations of a web page, right? And you have multiple templates right here. You can definitely explore them one by one all together, right? Now, what to choose? For this particular session, I'll choose educational web page, right? Because we are educational institutes and we are providing education to our students. So any type of web page that promotes the education will be our first choice. Okay, so we'll choose education, extracurricular activities. We can choose it from here or learning journal. This is a very good template. You can actually create your learning journal and share the link with the students. Now, let's explore one by one what are these categories for some event. Suppose you are holding an event and you have to create a web page so that you can start building the engagement of that particular event or audience registration for that particular event. So you have these categories you can check out to create all these things, and as you can see this, if you notice, this is a blank web page right here and say create your own. All these pages they were already pre-made, but this is saying create your own page so that you can create every single aspect of that web page right from scratch to the pro, right? And after that you have this personal category. Right here you will be able to see the same library of the templates. Then go to the business and you have multiple business related templates right here. See, construction working business. This is a food related business template. This is a furniture related template. You will be able to find multiple templates right here if you search. Click on the portfolio. So this is a very important thing that I am going to share with you, all of you. Once the students are in the final year, then they need to showcase their files, they need to showcase their best work so that they can get hired to the best companies. Nowadays, companies they only check the portfolio before even they check their degrees. They check the portfolio. They check how good they are at work, how practical they are in their work. So they check that using this portfolio stuff. Okay, if your student has a portfolio like this and he's showcasing all his best works, so that he gets hired very easily from the companies. Okay, then comes the landing. Inside landing, you'll be able to find landing pages. Okay, all these templates are for the landing pages. But for now, what I'll do, I'll go and choose education. Okay, suppose I'm choosing this particular historical template. Okay, if I hover over it, I'll be able to see that these two options appearing. One is preview, another one is select. Click on select. It will take little bit time to load, and as you can see, the web page is right here. Okay, now you see all these animations are right here, right? This is a GIF file given right here, and a lot of images are given right here. You can definitely tweak them out. Okay. Now suppose you need to add a YouTube video in your web page. Okay, let's do it from the scratch. Okay, this is a template, that's why I'm exploring that. If you see that there is some text right here, and after that this section is giving us the about, okay, about this particular web page, and then comes this particular GIF. It's showing whatever is written over there. It's showing right here with the GIF, and after that it comes some captions right here, and then a image gallery, and then all these aspects of a web page. Now, if I go back and try to create something like this, or create something more general, let me go the web page once more. Okay, suppose I'm trying to create a web page from the scratch. I'll just go and what I'll do, I'll just scroll down, right? And after scrolling down, I'll be able to find the web page or create your own template. So this is a scratch template where nothing is added. What you need to do, you just need to add your stuff right here and then create the whole web page. See, this whole web page is empty right now. You have been given the opportunity to create the web page without coding right here. And before even doing that, what I'll do, I'll just go and click on this particular untitled option. Okay, click on here and rename. Remember, renaming a file is the most important thing of working in a graphics software. So I'll just add day 3 web page. Okay. So once the web page renaming is okay, renaming is done, you are able to see that this web page has been saved in the cloud. Yeah, if you are able to see this cloud option right here or icon right here, you will understand that this particular web page has been saved in the cloud. Now, what we will do? Now we will add some text. It's saying add a title. I'll say WV vocational. We'll add a subtitle right here. A 5-day training session. And what we'll do, eventually we have this particular text as well as this particular subtext as well. Now what we need a background image in this landing page, right? Click on the photo and choose a photo from right here. I'll choose something like Institute. If you search with the keywords, the whole word will appear eventually. Okay. Now what I'll choose? I'll choose this particular image because I like this one. As you can see, if I click there, this will add the whole image. Now take a look how it looks. Okay, till now, how many of you could follow up with me? You're able to see what I did till now. From starting till now, what I did is I added a background as well as a title for the web page as well as some subtext for the web page. Now, if I scroll down, it's empty. There is nothing right here. Now, what I can do? I can just click on this plus button so that a lot of options appear right before my eyes. We can add photos, we can add text, we can add buttons, we can add GIFs, we can add video, we can add our stuff, whatever we have created before, as well as photo grid, glide shows, split layout, table of contents. Okay, for now what I'll do, I'll just add text, right? So I added that text, and what I'll do, I'll just go to the chat GPT right now and ask it to give us some content. So what I wrote, the prompt was give me content for web page of a educational institute. Right. So this is the home page. It's giving me the home page and all the vision, mission, about us content. So I'll just copy all of them. It will be easier for us to work on it with this. Now what I'll do, I'll just paste this text right here. As you can see, we have added it right here, and it's looking nice, right? So what I'll do, I'll just cut some part of it, our vision and our mission part. We'll just cut it. Just a second. It takes a little bit time to load a little bit. Okay, okay. So one by one, I'm just trying to remove the unwanted contents from here. Okay. So we are okay with this much content right here. And after that, what we can do, we can just click on the plus button and add some photos, or what we can do, we can add some glide show. Okay. Suppose I'm adding these images for the glide show. Some more images I'm going to use. Now that we have created this particular web page like this, we are going to check it how it looks. Okay. Before we progress ahead, we can save it and check how it looks so that we can work on it. So now this is a preview of the web page. We are able to see this particular areas how it looks. This is the landing page, and right after that about us page, and then it comes this glide show. Okay. Okay, now what we need to do? Now we need to add some buttons right here. Not here, but in the very top or very beginning. We'll just click on this plus button. We'll click on button. And once the button is right here, what we can do? We can name the button. Okay. When you click on here and click on save, you have to give the URL. And for the URL, what you can do, you can just go ahead and create another page for the just a second, should work right now. Let me click on the plus, name the button, add the link, click on save. See, now if I click on this particular link or in this button, this will drag me to the different website. Let me play it at first. Let's go to the preview mode. So this is the preview mode of the website. If I click on here, let's see if it can take me to the website, different website. Yes, it's working. It's taking me to different website. Suppose you have only added images right here. Okay, or this is your gallery page. You create a separate gallery page and copy the link and then add a button right here in the web page and add the whole link inside the button. And when you are using the web page right here, after the landing page, if you want to see the images on different page, what you can do is just click on photos or the button. It will take you the different web page. Right. Till now, are you able to follow up? Just let me know so that I can continue.
স্যার স্ক্রিনটা কি করে ছোট বড় করে একটু দেখবো আর কি, মাঝে মাঝে পুরোটা হয়েছে দেখবো কি করে।
ওকে, মানে প্রিভিউ দেখতে চাইছো?
হ্যাঁ, স্ক্রিনটা একটু ছোট একটু বড় করবো মাঝে মাঝে।
Okay, sir. Please take a look at my screen right now. What I did when I'm working in this web page, what I need to do for the preview, there is a small play button right here. It's saying present. You can either do that, or there is an I button right here, right beside the download button. You can see the preview option is right here. You can either click on the preview option and you'll be able to see the functionalities of this website. Otherwise, what you can do is just click on the present button. Okay, are you able to understand? Okay. So everyone is able to follow up till now. The buttons right there. What you need to do is just need to copy the URL from those websites. Yes, and then add it here. And
then the URL will be start with express.adobe, isn't it?
Yes, but different website have different URL. See, this website is different. I created this using Adobe Express itself. So what I needed to do is I just copied the whole thing, not just new.express.adobe.com, but the whole thing. Copied and then pasted in the button, right? Okay, someone else was saying something?
Then about us. Suppose I want to create a button, and after clicking that button, we'll go to that particular section into that page.
Yes, we can do it.
In that particular example, you are showing that after clicking another page is opening.
Yes. So what you can do
in the lower portion of the page, about us section is there. Now, in our website, if I click on that button about us, then it will go to that particular section. Is it possible to design?
Yes, it's possible to design. For that, what you need to do, you need to create separate web pages. Okay, suppose for one web page for only about section. Okay, one web page for only gallery section. One web page for only video section. Okay, you can create those separately and then add the buttons in your landing page. Okay, add the buttons in your landing page and then link
In
them.
that case, the number of pages will be increases, and all time after clicking one button, another page will open.
Yes, just like normal websites have, right? Multiple buttons there, home, about us,
But
admissions.
in normal website, always new tab, new page will open. This is not happen. Suppose I am clicking about us, and about us of information is present in that particular page. So it will go to that section.
Yes, what I mentioned in the
Another page
what I
only.
mentioned previously, it is web page, okay, but it has some limitations. You can create a whole web page using the
Okay,
home
okay, okay.
button. You
Okay,
can
okay.
get
I
about us
understand.
section, but some limitations are there. Okay,
Okay, okay.
Adobe is actually working on this particular tool right now. So they are making it more precise. Okay, so that whatever you are saying right now, they are working on it
Okay, okay.
so that it becomes more flawless because it doesn't involve any coding, right? That's why all these limitations come. Creating a about section here, about us, and I'll just copy whatever is right here, copy and paste right here in the about us section. I'm not adding anything else right here. We can just add a small image so that it looks nice. Let's split the layout and add image right here. Or suppose a video. Okay, I'll add a video right here. How did I add the video right here? I'll just show you after adding the video. Just a second. Let me go ahead and go to the youtube.com and give you a video from here. Suppose I'm looking for RIPT. Just a second. Suppose this particular video I want to add. Control C. It can be a introduction video of your institute also. Okay, or a marketing video of your institute as well. Okay, now what I need to do? Just a second. Let me drag it up. I added the YouTube video link and clicked on save. Save. Okay, now if I play this, let's see how it looks. Okay, our about us section is ready then. Let's play this video. This video will be played straight from the YouTube right here. Okay, so this is how you can add a video as well. Now what I need to do, I just need to click right here in the browser search bar and copy the whole link and then go to the landing page. Click on this plus button once again and add the button. I'm saying this button will named after about us and paste the link. Click on save. Alignment will be the center. Okay. So this is how you can create a button. Just a second. Let me delete this particular photos and then go and create another button. Now I'll add photos web page. I'll go ahead and create another photos web page. This about us section is done. I'll click on Adobe Express once more and go to the web page. Browse templates. I'll scroll down and click on the create your own button. And from here, what I'll do, I'll just add photos. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just choose a photo grid option right here by clicking on the plus button, and I'll create a grid. Just let me search some photos right here. Let's see what type of images it gives. It will start creating grids. See, notice one thing, whatever the images we are using, it's powered by Adobe Stock. Okay, so for all of you, I want to say that Adobe Stock is very powerful. Okay, Adobe Stock has millions of library of images and videos and audio. If you want to check them out, you can definitely check it out. Along with the Adobe license, it comes the Adobe Stock license. Okay, you can definitely check them out later. For now, we are creating a gallery page. Okay, I think this is enough for our gallery page, right? And click on save. Now what you need to do is just need to click on the search bar and copy the whole link and go to the landing page. Okay, I'll say it will be right aligned and the link will be right here placed. Click on save. As you can see now, if I play, there is some issue with this alignment of the buttons. Now let's play. If it's working properly, let's see. Let me click on the photos. It will take me to the photo web page. Okay, our photo web page or gallery web page is working fine. And let's see if our about us web page is also working. Let me click on play and then go to the about us. Okay, our about us is also working right now. And for someone who asked me, how did I add the background image? So for adding the background image, let me delete it first. So when I first started this web page, right here, the background was just like this, a solid color. There was no photo there or anything. Now what I did, I clicked on this plus sign. It asked me whether I want to add photo or short cover or split layout. I chose photos. After choosing the photos, I added a photo from here. Suppose this photo. Okay, and this is how I added the background. Are you able to follow up? Guys, please let me know if you are able to follow up with me. You just need to go to the plus button. You're able to see this. Whenever I'm clicking this plus button, I'm getting all these options. And inside the layout, I'm able to see photo grid. Right. When I'm clicking photo grid, it's asking me which photo I need to choose. If I have photos in my desktop saved, I can choose it from device, or I can generate images right here using the AI. Otherwise, these millions of these stock images are right there from Adobe Stock. You can just click and it will be added. See, if I'm clicking right here, one by one, it's getting added flawlessly. Okay, you're able to understand how did I add the grid?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you fill now? I think someone is sharing the screen.
Sir, please repeat again from
Okay, sir, I'll just repeat. Presenting right now. Shambhavan, screen.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
To
Okay,
you.
okay, sir.
For our students and for our educational institute. Now, what I need to do, we need to add a video, right? So, wherever you want to add the video, suppose I want to add the video right after the landing page. Just click on this plus button, and you have this option right here saying that add video. Okay, click on that, and this particular window will appear, and it will ask you for the link. Now I have copied a link from YouTube, and I'll just control just a second. Excuse me. Copy the link from YouTube and go back to the web page and just paste this link right here in the edit video option, and I saved it. Okay, now if I play, are you able to see this video? This video is from RIPT maybe. It's very old, but yes. Okay, so this is how you can add your video right here. Suppose we are creating a blank page. Let's go to the web page once again. Click on the web page option. Scroll down. Create your own. Add a title. Suppose I'm giving the name of SNU. Okay, Sister Nivedita University. And giving a subtitle right here. Before that, I'll just go and say ChatGPT, I need more content. Okay, so this is the tagline right here for the SNU. Copy this tagline. Go back and paste it. Now what I'll do, I'll just click on this plus button once again and choose table of content. Okay. Just a second. Table of content. Actually, it doesn't work properly. Okay. I'll just go ahead and click on plus button. We'll say split layout. This is how we can split our layout. Okay. And as well as we have this GIF option. Click on the GIF option. If you're trying to add GIF in your web page, what you can do, you can just go to the gp.com. Go to the gp.com and search from here. Just a second. Suppose this particular GIF I like. I'll just copy the link, okay, and then go back to the web page and paste the link from GP. See, the GIF is appearing right from the gp.com and it's in my web page. Okay, are you able to understand?
Sir, please repeat once more.
The GIF, right?
এই কাজটা আরেকবার রিপিট করবেন? চ্যাট জিপিটি থেকে কিভাবে ফর্মটা নিলেন ওই জায়গাটা আরেকবার একটু বলবেন?
So please
Yes,
repeat
ma'am.
once more.
See, what I wrote right here inside ChatGPT, I needed content for the web page, right? So I asked it that ChatGPT please give me a content for a educational institute and for their web page. So it gave me a polished and professional website content, right? Right here like this. What I did, I just copied all these things and then dumped it to the landing page, right? Learn today, lead tomorrow. I copied this line and paste it right here. And after that, what I did a split screen. How did I split the screen? Clicked on the plus button and there is this option called split layout. See, you are able to see this split layout option. Click on it and you'll be able to split the whole layout. And after that, you just need to go to the plus button. Click on this plus button, you have this GIF option. Go to the GIF option and this embed GIF of window appears. Go to the gp.com. This is the website name, gp.com. Okay. Go to there, go to that website and then search for a relevant GIF. Suppose students. A lot of crazy GIFs are right here. Suppose I am looking for this particular GIF. Okay. Once you are in the gp.com and you found your proper GIF right here, you just need to click on copy link and then paste it on the web page. Okay. Click on save. The GIF will appear right here in the web page. Okay, are you able to get it? Inside the split layout, are you able to see? If you are able to see, just give a thumbs up, or if you are able to understand this, just let me know. Okay. Inside the split layout, it's saying a plus. There is a plus button and a add your image option. Click on add your image, and I am adding this particular image right here. Suppose this image I want to add. Okay, now what I need to do, suppose we are explaining a topic and we can add an image right here and add the text right here so that students understand more better. Okay, now click on the plus sign. You can either add a text or explain a video right here. Click on the text. Let me copy this particular area and paste it right there. Okay, suppose whatever you are teaching, whatever subject you are teaching, suppose you are teaching computer science, you can add an image of coding right here and explain right here what is coding. Okay, let me do it for you. Excuse my spelling mistakes. Let's say in a paragraph. It gave me what is coding in a paragraph. I'll just copy and go ahead and place this text inside the text box. And I'll change this image. Click on the image. To change the image, you just need to click on the image and replace. I'll search for a coding related image. Or this image maybe. Okay. So this is how you can create the educational content right here in the web page. Student don't need to go to another website. You have this whole website, and now suppose you are done creating this website and you want to share this website with your students. Okay, either you can download it as a PDF, or what you can do, as if you want to share it as a website, click on share. And once you click on share, this particular option will appear publish to web, because whatever websites we create, we need to publish it at website, web, internet or web, right? So for this type of web pages, you don't need a domain. For other web pages, they need domain to make it alive. And for this particular web page, you have Adobe Express as your domain. Okay, click on publish to web, name the web page, you can definitely give credits right here. You can either choose to place the author name or not. Okay. Now you can also put password protection right here. Suppose I'm giving password protection, and I'll say I gave a password for the web page. Students who wants to open this web page need to provide a password. Let me see a little bit. Now let's see, let's create the link. It will take little bit time to publish. So now the web page has been published, and I'll just copy this link from here, and you can send to anyone. Now if I put this link and press enter on my keyboard, it will ask for the password. I'll give my password right here. I'll click on I'm not robot option and then view the website. It will definitely give you the watermark right here, made in Adobe Express. It will take little bit time to open for the first time. Whenever you are previewing, you will be able to edit it, okay? But if you are sharing the link after publishing the web page, no one will be able to open the website or edit the website, okay?
Can you please demonstrate it?
For it to open, okay? So once it opens, I'll show you if it's editable or not.
Okay.
Or to create a web page, a full web page, full functional web page where you put your content, put your teaching stuff, whatever I've explained right here. You can either use your teaching video, whatever you created yesterday, আপনারা যেগুলো কালকে বানিয়েছিলেন যে ভিডিওগুলো, you can put it right here as a video, as well as you can give the explanatories right here, okay? The image is right here. Also, there is a plus button right here. You can click and add the video right here. Okay. So after they watch the video, they will read whatever it is, and they will eventually see the topic right here. Okay. Right after that, we have the glide shows. Just let me Go down. We can add glide shows right here, whatever events or whatever photos we have, we can use it using the glide show. Let me show you how you use the glide show option right here. I'm just choosing the images from photos. Oh, yeah. Click on save. Now please take a look. Okay, this is a glide show as well. So you're talking about this, right, sir? After taking a preview, you are still able to edit the whole web page, right?
Exactly.
Yes. So for published websites, you are not able to do that because right now you are in the editor itself. And once you publish the web page, you will just share the view only link. Adobe server is super late. That's why it's taking time.
Edited by another user. So one second.
Website has been opened. Okay, using the link right after the publishing. Okay. So if you are able to see this particular page is not editable right now. Okay. Are you able to see any plus
Sir,
button
I'm
or
not
anything?
talking about the landing page, sir. So while using button, we are moving to the secondary page. That secondary page stands editable in the normal mode. I'm talking about the secondary page, sir, not the landing page.
Okay, it's simple. Sir, the solution is simple. What you need to do, you just need to publish that page as well. And once the page is published, you just copy the published link for the button.
So we are publishing the landing page or the subsidiary pages that has been linked with this landing page as well.
Let me show you.
Can we just
Just
use a
take
button thing and link it to a secondary page and then republish the landing page? Will that make sense while representing what question I'm asking?
just a second, sir. Let me show you. So see, this particular page has already been published, right? It doesn't have anything editable, right? Now what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and go to another page. Suppose I added a button right here in this particular page. This is a different page. I'm just putting the link right here in the button. I'm not even changing the name of the button. It should be in the middle. I'll save. Should be given a name. Suppose I'm giving it name of home. Clicking on save. Then share. Publish to web. I'm not renaming it, okay? For all of you, you can rename it. Let's see if it works. Whatever you are asking, I'm also experimenting. Copying the link of this third-party website. Click and paste. Now open the web page. Let's see how long it takes to open this web page. Yes, it opened. Now if I go below, I'll just click on home. It will take me to the home page. ওপেন করছেন তখন কি আপনাদের সেম টাইম লাগছে নাকি এটা আমারই সার্ভারের প্রবলেম আমি বুঝতে
That, but playing the video specially.
Okay. Now, whenever you are adding the video is right here in the plus button. Click on here, paste the link of the video. So this is the video. I'll just go ahead and add the video right here. Wait just a second. Control B. Clicking on save. See, now the video has been added, but now what we need to do is just need to go to play. Let's see if it's working. The video is right here. Click on it, click on the video. Click, click on the play button once more. The video will just press escape on your keyboard. The video will be quitting.